Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Yethu. I'm your host, Spera Makeleni, and I'm with Spera Matswane.
Oh yeah?
How's it?
Sure, man.
Yeah, yes, man. Let's get to it, my man. We have great news or whatsoever news that Aaron McCarthy, there's a team that is interested, Guye. The team is from Eastern Europe, Western Asia. Yeah, ABSA KF, FK.
Yeah, FK.
Yeah, I say Abajan. So what are your thoughts?
Well, the team is going to play Champions League. Aidan McCarthy has not played Champions League in South Africa, but he has the possibility to play UEFA Champions League, play against the like of Mbappe, play against the likes of Dembele, play against the stars of the world, you understand? So that's where he can be able to gauge himself in the proper scale, you see. So it is a good thing that he being interested in. As far as I know, he went there to go and maybe there's just few things that are going to be confirmed, which is medical and a lot of things. Maybe there's, because if the team is interested in him, it's almost a done deal. Maybe if he has an injury that we do not know of, maybe that will be the one that breaks the deal. But other than that, congratulations to the boy. He played very well during his first season. Played very well.
And we did mention that he was playing very well.
Yeah, he played very well during his first season. So he's still young. It's good to go to a league like that, playing in Champions League. You might get recognition and be seen in a proper league. So the congratulations to him. Probably the salary will be better, lifestyle will be better. So it's a good thing for him.
Yeah, man. We also have Koenika, but they've renewed his contract. What are your thoughts regarding that?
Koenika is a stable defender. You could see sometimes when he and Miguel play, they would build a good partnership in the centre back. So he's a good defender, he's a good addition. He's not one of the best, but he's a good defender. He needs to be there because Chiefs needs to, in my opinion, keep their players and build upon what they already have. You understand? Get more addition, get more firepower. So I'm not disputing. I think he got an extension of a year, so it's okay. I allow that to happen. I'm not complaining. And maybe the viewers can tell me what do they think about that. I agree totally. And you can give us your comment also. Tell us where you are watching us from. We have viewers from Swaziland. We have viewers from Zimbabwe, Botswana. Please tell us where you are watching us from. Obviously, we have viewers from South Africa. So can tell us where you are watching us from.
Yeah, man. Definitely tell us where you are watching from. Speaking of defender, you were saying we were talking about defender. There's another defender whom they've signed, Thabang Moiloisane, 27-year-old centre back. Tebogo Moiloisane.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
No, he's a good centre back. He's been playing for Stellenbosch. 27 years old, as you've already said. He still has good age on his side. More than 27 in soccer. You still have a lot of time to play, especially as a defender. We can say if udlale isikhathi esincane udlala until 35, can still play for Kaizer Chiefs. That is going to be his big contract. You know, when you come to Joburg, you know that your salary will be over 100,000. So that's a good thing. So Sambonge Lumfana, we hope that he rises to the occasion. We hope that the jersey is not too heavy for him, because a lot of them, they come, but the jersey becomes too heavy for them. The same as you are talking about a defender, I can talk about a striker, who Ashley Dupree, who is from Stellenbosch. Understand also the Cape Town and Joburg is not the same. You understand? So some of them, the lights of Joburg, the lifestyle of Joburg is not for them. Cape Town is much more slow. Joburg is fast. You understand? The fast life of Joburg sometimes swallows them. So we see Ashley Dupree, he came from Stellenbosch. He played, he played, but somehow maybe beyanga character yokudlalela team efana njenge Chiefs ngoba ukudlalela Chiefs mfethu you need to have a strong character. You need to be strong as an individual, because you're going to get cyberbullied, you're going to be spoken about, you're going to be insulted. uzobizwa uzothukwa ngomama wakho yabona, you're going to get a lot of things, but if you are strong in character, you know that that's part of the job. That's why you get the big bucks. That's why you earn the dollars, because of you are there for that thing, you understand? So actually Dupree has saved Kaizer Chiefs a lot of times, but he also made some blunders that were bad, you understand? But that's why you need to rise to the occasion if you are a great player. Even Ronaldo, he has some misses, but he comes back, you understand? They bully him, he tells them when he scores, I'm here, you understand? So unfortunately, it seems like Ashley Dupree will be going back to Stellenbosch, and maybe we're going to see the best of him because there's no pressure there. True. So that's what I'm saying, Guti. Naye, he might come in, uthole ukuthi pressure ibankulu for yena. He makes a mistake, udlala ku crucial position, which is a defense. When you make a mistake, it costs the team. So simfishelo kuhle.
And there's also another player, I think, whom they are interested in, Thabang Mathuludi.
Yeah, Thabang Mathuludi,
24-year-old.
Yeah, Thabang Mathuludi, which is a right back. Yeah, Thabang Mathuludi, the right back, plays for Polokwane. You can see Polokwane, how good it has been doing. The boy, God himself, Amanyama Kolap, Bambizile is there. I think he's even there in the World Cup squad. I stand to be corrected, but I think he's there. So he's been a very, very big key of Polokwane. And one thing that I like about Hugo Bros, once Akthanda guy want Ukthanda forever. It doesn't change his mind, that guy. Once he likes you, he likes you. The only person that he didn't want, Begatumtala or Tembazwan. But once Wamtanda, and he does what he wants, he calls you forever. That's why Tembazwan is also in Bafana now, though he's a bit old, though he's a bit slow, though he's not at his peak. So I'm not saying that Mathuludi is not in his peak. Mathuludi is definitely in his peak. He's 24 years old. He still has young. He still has time. If he can play a wonderful season, who knows? Maybe he can find himself going to Europe.
Definitely,
because he'll be turning 25. You understand? So he still has time. But for Kaizer Chiefs, that's a good project to get young players who are going to play for the team, for the badge, for a couple of years. You know that you can have him for 5 years. He will still have a good energy to run for your team. So overall, what is overall impression on everything that we have spoken about so far?
No, definitely everything, because of they are here to help Umikil out, because of Chiefs head Gucci probably had Gucci replace Ulukos Eden McCarthy. So overall, I love it, but we need to now focus when it comes to strikers. If we can do that, we can have more strikers so that we can have more options. Buy good key players. That's what I want Kaizer Chiefs to do.
Okay, no problem. I wanted to ask you about the rumor, but let's leave it for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stand a chance to win the iPhone. We'll keep on updating you every now and then about every developments, rumors, and speculations, and confirm. There are other things like Mathuludi, Tebogo, Muloisan. Chiefs has not Thabo Muloisan. Chiefs has not confirmed it yet, but we are here to confirm that it has already happened. Thank you so much. Love and peace.
Love and peace.